In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert a pivot table to a regular table. So in order to do that, you can simply select your pivot table from right here. Just tap on the table that you want to convert, and then press Control plus A, and then Control plus C. So you'll just have to go on Excel where you want to convert this table. For example, in my case, I want to convert this one here. Right click right here and select this paste button with a 1, 2, 3 right here. And this is our table. So after that, you'll need to press Control plus T. And in order to arrange this data, you can simply select right here, OK. And this is your table converted right here to a regular one. So this is all for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.